Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is theta brainwave state. What happens when you are connected with the source, when you just feel very relaxed, when you are more meditative all the time, and when you are more prayerful all the time? You feel relaxed. How does this happen? You cannot be in a positive and negative mode both at the same time. Either you are feeling positive and good, or you may be feeling negative, depending on the quality of your thoughts. But when you are more aware and you choose positivity, you choose proper inputs for your own brain, what happens is you feel there is no dissipation of life energy, and then you feel energetic and relaxed. Our brain has different waves which may be dominant at different points of time. We have alpha waves, delta waves, gamma waves, theta waves, beta waves. And when you are relaxed and meditative in your disposition, what happens is the theta brain wave takes over, and it has a very healing effect on your mind and body. We all know that these waves will have a great impact even on your immune system. Any disease is first present in your body environment energetically. And this is because of unresolved issues, negative emotions about past experiences, memories. It can be because of anything. And now they become a part of your subconscious mind. So when your subconscious mind is conditioned to think negative, to keep revisiting past negative memories and incidents, it makes you feel really sad. All kinds of negative emotions are formed. When you connect with the source, you outsource your life and everything that is happening around to the higher source. Now some change happens in your brain because of this relaxed disposition, because of these theta brain waves. Now you feel more intuitive. All of a sudden you become very creative. You feel highly energetic. You are well aligned in your mind, body and spirit. You have this lot of awareness, and so because of this awareness comes self-knowledge. And then because of self-knowledge, what happens is you don't behave and think in your old conditioned ways of thinking. Your old conditionings are displaced by new ways of thinking. So you become an absolutely new person. Now you think like you are limitless. Now you know yourself. You don't judge yourself very hard. You are happy most of the time. You get those inspirational ideas, and your life absolutely changes because your inside environment is changing. Because of that, you start manifesting faster. You start aligning with more abundance in your life, in all facets of your life, all areas of your life. See more of well-being, more of abundance, because what is happening is with these theta brain waves, healing is taking place at the level of every cell, at the cellular level. So your cells are healed. Your immune system becomes really strong. And you enjoy a lot of well-being, happiness, joy, just because you are connected with the source, just because you are more relaxed most of the time. You are joyful and you are prayerful most of the time. There are no fears. Now, fears are displaced by faith. There are no worries. There is more creative energy. You want to do more of creative things. You feel inspired. So that is the kind of difference you make just by being prayerful, just by being meditative. And this theta brainwave state is also the time when you are just about to sleep. That is also a time when you feel really relaxed and you get up so relaxed the next morning. So why not consciously try to be in this relaxed state all the time? And this is going to help you in faster manifestation, to attract abundance in your life, because your inner environment changes, and that is what attracts better things in your life. As inside, so as within, so without. So as you change your inner universe, outer universe also starts showing that change. So all abundance, everything good will be attracted in your life. So from now, sit in silence, speak less, become more meditative and become more prayerful. Don't align with worries, but instead align with more faith. And now as your brain feels more relaxed, theta brain waves will take over, and this is going to change your life, because you are going to rewrite the script of your own life. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. It is wonderful always to connect with all of you. My prayers are always with you. I send you my love and blessings, and I wish abundance, peace, good health, and lot of love in your life. Thank you so much for joining me here. Namaste.